Freelancing, right? So always keep this freelancing option open. So when we talk about freelancing, it's basically with your full-time job, you register yourself with some of the freelancer website, for example, freelancer.com, Upwork, etc. Right? So you can register there. So Upwork is one of the good one where you can register, but there are some testing specific websites as well, right? For example, UTest. Okay, so target the testing specific ones, or Testlio, okay, or there is Testing Time. So there are so many websites, and then there is User Feel. So go ahead and search for some of these websites. Even if you do Google, you will be able to get a lot of websites where you can register. Now, just registering yourself as a tester is not going to help. You have to basically ensure that your profile looks pretty good and you have the skill set that is being required by the projects that are being posted there. So usually there will be projects that will be posted, and based on your profile and your availability and the devices that you have, you will be invited into those testing cycles to participate, right? So that's one of the key thing, freelancing, and you should start building your profile in freelancing websites if you are looking for that, right? So I was part of this UTest some time ago, but then I am not very active member of it, right? So I do not do a lot of testing because I don't need to, or I do not want to build that profile as a core sort of freelancer. Okay, but I have done this on UTest, so that's why I know that you can do that as well. Okay. The second thing is teaching. Okay, so teaching is something which I do. So I know that yes, teaching is something which you can make, lots of money there. Teaching can be online or classroom, right? So classroom based. Now, online teaching is something you take live classes. So if you are good at automation or have expertise in software testing, start with online classes. Build your profile first. So nobody is going to give you online classes or enroll in your classes unless you have the presence and credibility there, right? So maybe create a course and publish it on Udemy. Okay, so that will give you some visibility, and then from there you can start earning some income from Udemy, and also then from there you can start launching your online classes as well. Okay, classroom classes, you can join some of the existing organizations and start teaching there so that you get some exposure of the classroom teaching as well. Okay, that's the very good aspect that you can apply, that you teach to make additional income as well. Third is consulting, right? Now consulting takes time. Okay, so consulting you can't start from day one. If you are a person who is less experienced in software testing and don't know about the holistic picture, then consulting is not piece of cake. But you can start from today to build your profile in a way that you want to do consulting, and you start learning more, and then you can build your profile. So in LinkedIn you can update that yes, I do consulting of the testing processes, or if you want to set up your automation framework, I can do consulting for you and I will charge these many dollars an hour. Okay, there are many students, people or working professionals who are looking for professional help, and I keep getting so many emails that people are ready to pay, but I do not have too much time to look at the problems that they are facing in their project and then solve those, right? But I personally know people who are ready to pay like minimum $100 to $300 an hour for solving their queries, right? So this is sort of a range that you will get if you establish yourself as a person who will solve the problem, or who is keen to solve the problem of people by doing consulting, right? Fourth one is write the articles. Okay, so write blog or articles basically. So I'll say articles because these are the paid articles. So writing articles, if you search Google, there are so many software testing websites that pay you to write articles for them. Okay, even I used to pay people to write articles. At the moment we are not continuing that, but yes, there are many other websites out there that are paying people to write software testing articles and get published. So that first thing what it gives you is money, okay, because it's paid. Second thing, it gives you visibility. Okay, so you get visibility that yes, this article has been written by this person, and you get a sort of link to your profile. So when you write article, make sure that you do get a little bit of credibility and at least your profile link there, so that you get visibility as well. Even if you get little money or little less money, that is still okay, because visibility is important. Your visibility will ensure that you go to consulting. Your visibility will ensure that you are good known person in teaching space, and your visibility ensures that you are good known person in freelancing space. So initially this is more important than the money factor. Okay, YouTube or blogging. Okay, now this is also an option. I do YouTube and blogging, but this is not just for the money that I do. It all started because I had a passion for teaching, and I started publishing everything on YouTube, and then I also maintained my blog, which I started like 10 years ago. But still, the earning that I get from YouTube or the blog or anything is far less than what I earn as a full-time employee, right? So these are all side incomes, I would say, that are there, that is a possibility. I'm pretty sure if you're sitting in India and you are earning the amount of money that you usually make through all of these, it's good enough for a person who is doing sort of full-time job. Okay, so it won't be good enough, or it won't be enough if you are in US, Australia or any other country where you are getting paid in dollars, but it is absolutely fine if you build that consistently over the years. You will be definitely be in very good shape, and you will be able to succeed. And it's not necessary that YouTube is, or making videos is your thing, right? You might be finding blogging more easy, right? So focus what is your interest, not just because you want to earn money, just start doing it. If you won't enjoy it, it's not going to sustain, and it will collapse eventually. Okay, so make money, but keep it the second priority. Think about what you want to do, choose that, and then start building from there, because I said visibility is the most important factor that you should be looking for. All these things don't happen in a day. It takes time. You start building it from today, and I can assure you 3-4 years down the line, you will be a different person altogether. Never stop learning, keep learning, and start thinking about different options to make additional income or make side income, and you will be able to make it in few years. Okay.